I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your friend code on a Nintendo Switch or Switch 2. Step 1. Navigate to your Switch 2 home screen and then click the System Settings icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Click to select Users in this menu and then click the profile you want to find the friend code for. The user settings screen for that Nintendo Switch user opens. Step 3. Navigate to the Friend Functions section and then click Friend Settings. The associated screen opens where you'll see your friend code displayed at the top of this screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.